Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Tab S11 is shaping up to be a compelling blend of performance and design. A fresh leak has revealed more details regarding the next generation premium tablets. The South Korean tech giant has just uh, shared a few details in a recent tweet from Ahmed. This model will feature a tall 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's rumored to be equipped with MediaTek Dimensity 9400 plus SoC, which will be paired up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. A massive 11,600 mAh battery is expected to power the device, which supports 45-watt fast wire charging. All of this in a 5.1 millimeter slim body, which is down from 5.5 millimeter. Samsung is also going to launch with dual cameras on the back, 13 plus 8 megapixel at the rear, and a single 12 megapixel selfie shooter in the front. It has Wi-Fi 7, IP68, S Pen, eSIM, Galaxy A, and One UI 8 support. Another tweet revealed the details of the base Tab S11. This entry-level model gets an 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display, which features the same IP rating, fast charging, Dimensity 9400 plus chipset, Galaxy AI software, eSIM, and camera, except for the 8 megapixel ultra wide on the back. It gets a 8400 mAh battery. Both models will be available in at least gray or silver color with support for Samsung DeX. But the Tab S11 is going to get an downgraded Wi-Fi 6E. It will have a 5.5 millimeter body, which is similar to its predecessors. The storage maxed out at 1256 GB storage and 12 GB of RAM.